Today I'm doing some more lab work which may interest everyone, and I want to explain to everyone what I'm doing and why. There have been a long series of crop pictures showing magnetic fields like this one, which no human can make on the ground. This one was drawn after a NASA project manager went to see the crop circles in 2000, and he said to the sky, "Teach me something so I can fly better through space." And they showed him this big magnetic field. So magnetism is very important. Now here are a couple more from 2014 near Avebury, which I went to personally. This first one, which is some distance from Avebury, a long walk, shows 6 wire coils around the outside, like that. And here's a blow-up of it. And I walk through these coils. The crop goes back and forth like for AC power in 2 different directions. No one could do that by hand. And then it looks like there's gas or something shooting out the center. The other one shows a cross-section from another direction where you see waves of AC power going around the outside, and again gas is shooting out from a little orifice. So this is an end-on view. This is sort of a side view of some kind of ion propulsion system which uses magnetism, and it uses AC power, not DC. Therefore, I have built a trial device, and I'll show you how it works now. Okay, here's my trial device. I've put an electromagnet around the outside so I don't have to make 6 coils. 0.7 millimeter wire, and inside I have some argon gas flowing where I can add DC electricity at 4 kilovolt and ionize it. Now the argon gas is flowing. I'm going to turn on the 4 kilovolt now and see what happens. You just see an arc as expected, but nothing's happened. I haven't turned on the electromagnet yet. Now let's put power to the electromagnet. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's turn it off. Turn the electromagnet back on again. Now I'm going to use an electromagnet that has 140 volts going into it, 0.5 millimeter wire. Turn on the arc. Turn on the electromagnet. I can't go to any higher power with this electromagnet because it's smoking hot and the insulation will burn off. Just to conclude, these 2 crop pictures may show an end view or a side view of the ion propulsion engine by which the ET crop artists fly through space. You can see 6 wire coils around the outside. I've used just 1 wire coil for simplicity, and there's gas shooting out the center, presumably ionized argon gas. From the side view, you can see wave-like patterns, which means AC power, which is what I'm using. Again, there's a little ring in the center, a little tube, and it's shooting out gas just like an ion propulsion device. I don't have the capability in my lab to go to high enough powers to get a lot of thrust out of this device, but any good lab can do it. And you'd really have to be an idiot not to take this seriously and think that 2 people unseen with ropes and boards made these 2 spectacular crop pictures near Avebury in 2014. Thank you very much.